Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up your Scribeless account. So you're going to want to create your account or join the team that you've been invited to. Then we dive into the platform where we're going to go in and create a template as a first step. A template is a saved design on your account. So for my selection here, I'm going to go with a prospecting campaign that I'd like to launch, and I want to set up a design to my US audience. We have flat cards, folded cards, letters, postcards, and a variety of other sizes. So do reach out if you've got something custom in mind. From there, I'm going to create my template. It will load with a saved pre-design, but I'm going to go in and add my own copy and elements. I'm going to copy and paste some copy that I created earlier. And this is me prospecting as Scribeless through some of my key accounts. I'm going to replace this custom one entry within my Word document to the custom one mapping field through our variable selector. And I'm going to change my handwriting style as well to one that I prefer. We've got a variety of styles to choose from. This time I'm not going to add a logo to my campaign, so I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to position my handwriting a bit further up on the card. I have the ability to add both QR codes, which I'm going to add on this campaign, text with your brand fonts, images, containers, both to the back and front of my designs. And I'm just going to drag and drop and move that into the bottom right, and I'm going to link that through to the Scribeless website. Perfect. With that created, I'm going to publish my template, and this is then saved on the account to use for any future campaigns or orders. With that, I'm going to go ahead and create my first campaign. So this is me prospecting on March 16th. I'm going to choose my template, and I'm going to get it sent from one of our facilities. We have facilities across the US, Canada, UK, and Europe, with more launching all the time. And then I'm going to go ahead and straight away upload my recipients. Now, the recipients I've selected for this campaign are a mix of industries that Scribeless works with, all based in the US, across the US. So these will be sent locally from our different facilities. All of our campaigns as standard are sent with a US real first class stamp. Great, so I'm going to check my fields have mapped correctly. So this is the custom field landing on the template, and then I've got my core address data here as well, which I'm happy with. I'm going to map the country, and then it's going to add my recipients. So I've done 20 here, but the platform can take thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands. So anything above around 5,000, reach out to our team, we'll get you a custom quote, and you'll have a dedicated account manager as well. But of course, you always have the platform to go ahead and submit your own campaigns. So just like that, my first campaign has been created. Super easy. I can go ahead and add a return address if I'd like to. I can also archive or duplicate the campaign if I've done something wrong. You can see each of these are rendering, so they're producing a preview of both the card and envelope, which you can review before dispatch. But ultimately, we're in this campaign page, we've got the cart, and we can check out the campaigns when we're ready. I'm just going to go straight in and check out my campaigns while those are rendering. So it will localize the currency. At 500 or more, we start to offer specific discounts, so reach out to us on those. But you'll be able to see a breakdown here of the price you're charged per send. So I'm going to enter my card details here. And that's it. My campaign has now moved from pending to ready to ship. We'll dispatch this for you same or next working day, at which point the campaign will move into the shipped status. You'll get a summary of the different campaigns that are both pending, so waiting checkout, if you're doing multiple at once, that are in ready to ship and awaiting shipment, and then are within the shipped status, where you can see a breakdown. Now, the nice thing as well with that QR code, which I can see on the preview here, is that if I decide to go ahead and scan this, which I'm going to do on my phone, and then load up that website. And again, with this preview, we can see both the envelope and card input with the custom field. We can also edit the address details before we dispatch if we would like to, and save the updated recipient. Obviously, there's no need for me to do that in this instance, but let's say I'd got a state wrong, I can update that before I check out the campaign. And then if we go to the dashboard, we can then see when individual QR code recipients have scanned. Now, this is obviously vital when you're doing prospecting campaigns, as well as any other form of customer or prospect engagement. So we can see when people have scanned their QR codes, when they're high intent, and when our sales team, marketing team, customer service team should be reaching out to recipients post-scan of the QR code. We also have an advanced flows feature, which I won't show on this demo, which enables us to feed those QR code scans back into your CRM, CDP or marketing platform to deliver email, text and call campaigns. Finally, I've got a billing overview here with my saved card details, invoices to date, as well as updating my billing information. We also have settings and help and support here to invite your team members, to generate an API key for use with our API documentation, to update your profile or company logo, as well as help and support through our intercom chat, which will enable you to reach out to our team, get quick responses, as well as access our support documentation for advanced features